What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over a repair that I ran into the other day, and I figured I'd make a video about it. I realized that the sink was leaking the other day. I was getting a little bit of a trickle. When I would turn on the sink and I would shut it off, I was getting like a little bit of a trickle. Normally those symptoms are that the seals inside of the faucet in this area here, there's a cartridge that comes into this area here, and when the seals go bad and you close it, it doesn't seal properly and you get that trickle. So that's usually the repair for it. But something told me to look a little deeper, and I pulled the hose down and I started playing with it, and I noticed that this area here was loose, like I could turn this. And I find it kind of strange because when it was trickling, it wasn't like I was getting the water out of here like sometimes will happen if it's hose related. I was getting the trickle out of here. But when I pulled the hose out and I realized that this was loose and I tightened it, right now it's tight because I corrected the problem. But when I tightened this, it actually stopped. It actually stopped the leak. It stopped the trickle. So now when I close it, as you can see, it stops on a dime. And I said, well, you know, this will make a good video because this is something that a lot of times you'll think you either have to replace the faucet or you need to replace a cartridge. You'll call out a plumber and they'll fix it if they're aware of this issue. They'll come in and they'll tighten this down, they'll correct it, and they'll charge you as if they replaced the cartridge. Either way, you're gonna have to pay, you know, for a trip charge. So I said, man, I have to share this with my followers because this is something that I hadn't run into before. And if you have any of these faucets, I mean, these faucets are in just about every home throughout the country. So this is a Delta, and it's the one where the hose comes out of the faucet, out of the spout like that. So as you can see here, this has a little bit of a grip on it and it turns. So if you're getting a little bit of a trickle, before you call a plumber, before you start taking it apart because you think it's a seal issue, go ahead and tighten this up. You might be surprised to find that it stops leaking. It's a pretty easy fix, and definitely better than having to replace it with a new faucet. All right, guys, I hope this tip helped, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.